Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to move Epic Games to another drive. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So now what you want to do is go ahead to Epic Games library and then find your game which you want to go ahead and transfer to another drive. Then you're going to click three dots and click manage. After that, you will see installation, click on the folder right there, open install location. And if you want to move it somewhere else, you will need to go ahead to the Epic Games right there at the top. And here is your game now. You want to go ahead, copy this game right there, just like so. And now you want to find your another disk where you want to go ahead and transfer it to. So now once you will locate your other disk, you want to go ahead and create a new folder, which would be, for example, let's write down Epic Games 2, open it up, and then paste your game here. Let's go and rename it, for example, Bro Potato 1, so it would be a little bit different. Go back to your Epic Games and find your game, then click on three dots and click uninstall. Once it will be uninstalled, you want to click install, but you will need to go ahead and choose install location. So you want to choose the other drive. So of course for today, I'm just gonna go here, Epic Games 2, and I'm gonna select the folder here. And once you click install, after that, pause it. Then click three dots and click cancel install. If you will not see resume button, you did something wrong and you need to do this once again. But basically you should see this. Now you want to open that file where you have created new Bro Potato for example for me. And now I will open it up. Here's all the files and you want to go ahead and copy them and go back to this one. So you can go ahead and click cut, but it's basically the same. And now you're going to paste it to this new folder. What you have to do is go back to your Epic Games and click resume. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.